Hello everybody. So today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about common divisor. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to do about long division of this one. So I will put like this. I will put this one go in here and this one go in here. So the highest one, that is about 6n to the power of 2. So in here we need to put about 3n because 3n multiplied by 2n, you got about 6n square. Later that 3n with number 9, we have positive 27n. Next, we need to minus two equations. And this one in here, we have 6n minus 6n square. We got 0. 11 minus 27, we have negative 16n. This one we need to put about negative number 8. So this one with this one we have negative 16n. This one and this one we have negative 72. We minus two equations and we have 70. So that means this one we have 3n minus 8 plus 70 over 2n plus 9. So we just consider about this one. So we see that we have 70. So the highest in this situation, we put about 70. Now we put number 9 going here. And we have 70 minus number 9 and we have 61. So in this situation, n equals to 61 over 2. So if we try this number go in here, we will have the value that is about equals to 169 over number 2. In this situation, we still have about the number 2 in here, so we cannot accept this one. Now the next one, the highest, we can divide for this one in here, that is about 35. Because 35, 70 divided by 35, you got about number 2. So, and in this situation, that is about 13. Now we put number 13 go in here. So we have 33 and we see that this is about integers. So we need to accept. And now the largest possible common divisor, that is about 35. This is the end. Thank you for watching.